Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shiny. It's me, Shiny, your favorite Southern Belle, with a cocktail. Okay. Here she is. It's a hurricane, y'all. In honor of Mardi Gras, since we wasn't able to celebrate Mardi Gras, I decided I would come on with a hurricane. All right, y'all. So you can tell from the title what we have is day 2 of the 2-2-2 challenge, y'all. I enjoyed day 1. Did you? I did. Okay, so on day 2, what I have is, I don't know what I would call it, smothered meatballs, stuffed meatballs. Well, anyway, these are meatballs, smothered in marinara. So it's meatball marinara, of course, one of my favorites. And then on the inside, it's stuffed with spinach and cheese. I don't know what the title is going to be, but that's what it is. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. Follow me on my socials. They will be floating. Let me get a sip of my drink. Yeah, don't forget to hit the bell. That's very important. And to subscribe. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Cheers to y'all. A hurricane. Okay, y'all. This is still smoking hot. Trying to think, make sure I ain't forgetting anything. Oh yeah, follow the Mukbang Bulls. Duh. This is a Mukbang Bull production. It is a challenge, 2x2 challenge. Let me see if I can cut it so y'all can see it. Let me see. You need 2 pounds of ground meat of your choice: turkey, chicken, vegan, vegetarian. Oh, it's thick, y'all. You can do any ground meat you like, but you have to have 2 pounds, 2 ways, 2 days. It's the 2-2-2 challenge by the Mukbang. Can y'all see that cheese? Baby, let me turn it around so you can see the inside. Oh, it's smoking. It's burning my finger, y'all. So this is day 2. And I can't wait to see y'all do it. Can y'all see that? Baby, don't play with this. I don't want my cheese to drop. A spinach and cheese on the inside of the meatball. So y'all, this is what I had a taste for. I love meatball marinara, but this is my own personal spin on it. I'm trying something new, so we gonna taste it. Before I taste it, I know y'all like, hurry up, eat the food. I know. Let me, this is day 2, so we gotta call out people. Oh, I know it's gonna be good. It's hot, y'all, so I'm gonna let it chill. Okay, so this is who I'm gonna call out. Today I'm going in on calling out because I want to try to make sure everybody gets a chance to do it. If I do not call you out, or my partners, which is LLIPS, Big Mac, and Sam's World, if they don't call you out and you decide that you do want to do this challenge, feel free to do it because we're gonna be sharing it out on our community tabs. Okay, so we are calling out Chocolate Drop 492. It's your turn, girl. Nobody Eats. Kim, it's your turn. Tristan Bell. Hershey Eats Good. I am gonna call out Trika Texas Tea. My Galveston sister. She from Houston too, or Galveston area. Vern Bang. And last but not least, Jaleel Odom. I need you to come out of retirement and do this. Okay. All right, y'all. So I am back in real time. Because yesterday's video was pre-recorded, as y'all know. I'm going to try to get into this, y'all. It's hot, y'all. And it's good. The sauce good. And look, y'all, that spinach. Should I tell y'all how to make it? All right. Y'all gotta make this. You got to. You gotta make this. Baby. You got to make this. You got to. See if I can turn around so y'all can see it up close. Without me spilling it. Because I'm always spilling something, y'all. On my clothes. Can y'all see that smoke? Fire. Delicious. I do want to say thank you to everybody who reached out to me during the snowstorm in Texas. If you don't know, I reside in Houston. The actual snowstorm is over. However, the recovery process is just beginning, so it's going to take Houston a second to bounce back, per se. That's good. But We always bounce back. So thank you to everybody who reached out to me, DM me, email me. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. I do. Yeah, it's good. That's 2 pounds, of course. 4 huge meatballs. I don't know, y'all. This is too good. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to make it. Look at that sauce on there. The cheese and the spinach. Yeah, it's good. I don't know what else to tell y'all. Y'all can get these earrings on my website. I probably already let it flow by, but earrings and lashes. Okay. On the website. If it already floated by, just put it up again. Why not? When you get through watching my video, don't forget to go check out my other mukbang bulls. They'll be floating again. Yeah, I'm not kidding. It's good. Look, you can see the inside. Okay, so that's what I did. It's so good. Fire. Did I ask y'all how y'all doing today? I hope I did. If I didn't, how are you doing today? Are you having a good day? I had a great day, but even if I didn't, this will do it. I hope y'all can see it. It's too good. And it's just green onions on the top. Fire. Smothered meatballs. Stuffed and smothered. Stuffed meatballs? I don't know. Stuffed meatball marinara. That's what I think I'm gonna title it. But it's good. Okay, so this is spinach and mozzarella on the inside, shredded, right? So all you do is cook. I cook my spinach with onions and bell peppers. And wilted it down. Then the key to this filling is you cannot put the cheese in there when it's hot. Don't do that. Don't do that. I put my spinach in the freezer for like 20 minutes to cool it down. Then I mix the cheese in. And then you know how to make meatballs. Season them to your taste, make them. So I formed the meatballs already. And let them chill in the refrigerator. Fire. And so when the stuffing was ready to cool down, I took these meatballs out, broke them in half, make a dent, like a little well, stuff your stuffing in there, and close back up. Press it together, roll it, put it in the oven, 350 for 1 hour. Take it out, pour your sauce. Of course, I cook my sauce first and added my own seasoning, not just plain sauce. But I cook my sauce first. After your hour, you take it out, pour the sauce, extra mozzarella, put it back in there for about 15 minutes. Green onions and bam, in a silver tray. If you ever had takeout from an Italian restaurant or order to go, like order delivery, it come in these. This remind me of Italian. Cheers. Let me turn it. So I smashed that one. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is so good. So good. Let's see how. Look at that cheese coming out. Yeah, it's, man, simple. Make it. Too simple and too good. Y'all, let's do y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti sauce? Cause that's what this is. Well, this is marinara, but do y'all put sugar in y'all spaghetti? Or spaghetti sauce? Look at that spinach, y'all. I did not cook the spinach all the way because it was gonna cook some more in the meatball sauce. I'm not exaggerating. It's fine. My first time ever making this. I love hamburger meat. I wanted to do something outside of the box, and look at that cheese. We'll do something outside of the box, and this is it. Yeah, if you're still watching and you have not already, hit the subscribe button. Got plenty more content to come. Oh, yeah, this is too good. I hope you can see it. I don't know if you can. See it like that. But it's good. That's fine. 2 pounds she can't do, but that's good. I don't know what to tell y'all. Yeah. This whole thing was filled with sauce, but you see, it's getting empty now. It's getting empty. So if you watching this, it's Tipsy Tuesday. That's fresh spinach too. If you got frozen, it'll work, but just drain it. Drain it, drain it. Oh, y'all, this is a lot. 2 pounds. This is quite a bit. But I know it's some of y'all that'll smash this like easy. Smashed. I can't wait to see it. Don't forget that if you do our challenge, make sure to tag us so we can share it on our community tabs. Like, yeah. This is filling because of the filling. Filling because of the filling. Exactly, but it's too good. It's really good. You know what else will go good? I always do that. Eat something good and then be like, you know what else will be good in here? You know what else will be good in here? Artichokes will be good in here. There's so many things you can put in here. Can't go wrong with spinach and cheese. And that's on period. I'm full, y'all. I am full. I'm going to call out the people that I called out again. So if you watch any of these channels, make sure to go spam their comments up. I'm a lightweight, y'all. I can't eat that much. All my OGs, y'all know that. Welcome back to my OGs and welcome to my new subscribers. Y'all, we hit 3K. I should have said that in the beginning. I forgot. Thank y'all for 3K. Thank y'all for 3K. That February is our month. February is it. So now I gotta do another giveaway. I hope you watch my videos to the end. You ain't clicked off because you're gonna miss a whole giveaway. If you don't watch to the end, you're gonna miss the giveaway. So make sure y'all watch the video to the end, okay? Make sure. Yeah, this is... I'm full and I'm still going. This is fine. Spinach and mozzarella. I'm full. I'm full. Okay, y'all. So these are the people that I called out again. Ooh, I thought I had the burp. Okay, so I said chocolate drop $4.92. Of course, they'll be floating right here. Nobody Eats, Tristan Bell, Tiara and Hershey Eats Good. Hey, Tiara. Trika Texas Tea, Vern Bang, and Jaleel Odom. I said I want Jaleel Odom to come out of retirement and do this challenge. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm full, but it's too... Oh, it's too good. It's too good. I told you how to make it. Make it and then tell me how you like it. I promise you'll love it. Promise. One half of the peanut gallery is gone and one half of the peanut gallery is here. So he will be eating this. He already said that. I can't wait to eat that when you're done. So my food does not go to waste. Again, welcome to all my new subscribers. We just hit 3K. If you like these rose earrings, that's what they're called. They got roses. The rose earrings. They're on my website. I'll put it up here. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my OG angels. I love having y'all. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm so happy we hit 3K. Next is 4 and then 5. But our next big goal is 5K. We got to hit it. We got to hit 5K. All right, y'all. So I'm gone because I do want to go. I might go. I do want to go. I might want to go. I do want to go live. And I got to edit this video. It's getting kind of late. But anyway, I hope it's not spinach in my teeth. But don't forget to check out the Mukbang B.U.L.S. After you get through watching this video, watch theirs. Make sure if you are called out by any of us that you go ahead and knock it out. Tag the Mukbang B.U.L.S. You can tag each one of us. Tag Mukbang B.U.L.S. So then we can see it and we can share it and enjoy it. Y'all make sure that you have a great rest of your day. Y'all like, what she was gonna say? What she gonna say? 222 challenge, day 2, over and out. This was fire. And I'm not even lying to you. I'm not playing no games. This, make it. If you didn't, get a pen and pad, rewind it from the beginning and watch the video all over. And then when I give you the recipe, write it down. Cheers, y'all. It's your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. She's over and out. Okay, she gone. Hurricane, get y'all one. All right. I hate to leave, but I got to edit and I want to go live. So y'all make sure to have y'all bell on. Make sure you hit subscribe. That's it. Make sure you watch the other Mukbang B.U.L.S. and see what they brought. Because yesterday was fire. I'm gone. If you didn't watch our videos from yesterday, watch them too. Bye. Thank you.